Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP JPY and the market has opened, and we can see that after the market opening, there is not much trend in the market, or there is not much volatility. As you can see, market is still in a tight range right now. Okay, and if we just look at the overall chart, then we can see that trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, there is no doubt about it, market is an uptrend. And if I switch to the weekly time frame, okay, and the weekly time frame is also telling us the same story. Market is in uptrend. We can see that this week, okay, market has right now formed a doji kind of a pattern, or or nothing, okay, because market has just opened, okay. But previous week we can see that market has formed a green candle. For 3 consecutive weeks, market is green, okay, and no such support or resistance level present in the weekly chart. Okay, so now let's switch to the Forex chart and let's find out what should be a strategy. So there is no doubt market is in uptrend. Okay, therefore, considering the trend of the market, we will only be looking for buying opportunity, because market is an uptrend. If we go against the trend, then this will be very risky and we may get trapped. So in an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support. In this case, we can see that 50 moving average is more or less a good support. Okay, so if market comes down to 50 moving average and takes support, okay, then it will be a good buying opportunity. Okay, so 50 moving average is our first trading opportunity here. First trading opportunity, 50 moving average. So if market comes down, takes support at a 50 moving average, just observe the price. If you see that it is taking support, it is forming hammer kind of a pattern, price is being rejected from below, then we will get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is a valid support and we can buy. Okay, so this is our first trading opportunity. And for the second trading opportunity, I would like to show you this. Just forget about the overall trend of the market. Okay, right now just concentrate on this particular thing. I have zoomed in, okay, and if I tell you to just concentrate on this particular portion, then you can easily see that market is in a tight range. Market is tightly packed. There is not much space to move here. Okay, so and market is in uptrend. So second trading opportunity is wait for the market, okay, wait for the market to cross this particular level, this resistance. It's 154.55. Once market crosses this level, wait for 4 hours and just try to read the chart, just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market has crossed the level, market has crossed the resistance, the price is not struggling, there is not much struggle, market is doing great, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, it was a resistance, but the resistance has become the support now. Okay, once the resistance has become the support, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, you can go for a buy order. So this is your second trading opportunity. So first trading opportunity is this 50 moving average. Second is buying above this resistance level. So these are the two trading opportunities for GBP JPY as of now. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, all the best, take care, see you tomorrow.